Let's talk about Helldivers. Matchmaking, not working fix in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step. But fear not, future heroes of Super Earth. In this transmission, we'll equip you with vital, intelligent, actionable steps to troubleshoot and fix those Helldivers. Matchmaking was ensuring you can deploy with your squad and bring managed democracy to the galaxy once more.
First things first, let's try the classic tech support golden rule turn. It off and on again fully close Helldivers, reboot your for console, and then give your internet router a quick power cycle too. This simple step often clears up temporary glitches and refreshes your connection, which can be surprisingly effective for matchmaking problems. Don't underestimate the power of a fresh start for both your system and your network. Next, check. If the issue isn't on your end at all, always head to the official Helldivers social media channels or their status page to see if the servers are experiencing a galactic skill meltdown or undergoing maintenance. Also ensure your game client is fully updated to the latest version, as out-of-date game files are a frequent culprit for connection issues. A fresh patch might just be the democracy spreading solution you need. Your internet connection is crucial for seamless deployment, so let's run a quick health check. Try connecting your console work directly via an Ethernet cable. If you're usually on Wi-Fi, it has a wired connection, provides much more stability. You can also run a speed test to ensure your bandwidth is adequate and that there are no hidden network bottlenecks sabotaging your efforts to join the fight. If those simpler steps didn't work, it's time for some deeper dives into your system. Verify your game files through Steam to repair any corrupted data and temporarily disable your firewall to see if it's blocking Helldivers' connection. As a last resort, if all else fails, consider reinstalling the game entirely, as a fresh install can often resolve persistent and elusive problems.